Guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all know, I have Dory. No, I have
Anane. Jazz fingers.
and we will be doing a mukbang.
Oh.
So we have some McDonald's here.
Just ma'am.
So here, let's get our food. We got a cheeseburger, we got french fries, we got another french fries, we got chicken nuggets.
It opened.
So how you guys doing?
Great. You really want to pop up barbecue sauce on the floor?
So yeah, how's the life on today?
There's, a lot of stupid, little things you gotta overcome, but I mean, life's good. It's
I'm
great.
listening.
How about you? How about you?
It's good. It's good or whatever. What are you gonna say? Starving.
You're gonna put that in the video of you eating?
Yeah.
You're wild.
They gotta see everything. Everything.
Juve.
And if you don't eat your burgers with sweet and sour, you're doing it wrong.
You wanna know something? When I eat my burgers, you know the part with the pickle? I eat around it and save the part with the pickle for last. So that's like,
Hell,
what the hell?
I think a bread fell out my mouth. Oh. But yeah, ready for school?
Mm-mm. No. There's like, I feel like, didn't the school change now or something like that? Like some seniors, they get to come out at 12:50. Well, that's because, they got their stuff
Like the
done.
time, like the schedule?
Yeah, the schedule is crazy. Like, I don't like it, honestly. And I know a lot of freshmen that's coming into the school. The school's gonna change. It's gonna be more fights and stuff.
As y'all know, she's gonna be a sophomore. Ow.
And she's gonna be a junior.
Ow.
So, hit us with your love life.
They're doing crazy. Nah, let me stop. It's good or whatever. Y'all see him soon.
That's a good one. A good video.
I'll see him soon. How do you know that?
We're gonna keep that a secret.
And now,
See?
and now,
Excuse me?
I'm hungry.
What you talk about?
Let's talk about.
We're both on the basketball team.
Oh yeah, you know that. Gotta get on my scholar joint this year.
Now junior year is like.
What you say?
Junior year is your most important year. Well, how many regions do you have to take left?
I got 2 more to take.
Chemistry? Only for chemistry, right?
I'm going for chemistry.
Juniors have chemistry?
I didn't take that though. Because I'm a junior, yeah.
No, I know now, but oh.
Wow.
Alright. Burger King or McDonald's, like for the rest of your life.
Do you know me?
It's Mickey D.
Alright, Karen, let's talk about how you knew me for 6+ years and don't know that my favorite food is like McDonald's. My favorite fast food is McDonald's.
Just saying.
You do?
Things change like almost every day, so.
No. No McDonald's.
You're right. My favorite thing from McDonald's is this and the strawberry smoothie.
What's this? The cheeseburger?
The dollar cheeseburgers are the ones that hit the most.
They're not $1, they're $1.09.
Wow, such a difference. I wanna wrap you in my arms. Alright,
Remember the Vivo gang? The Vivo gang? What? I think it was this. I don't know. This something.
Nah, I don't remember.
With Slim and Chris.
Oh, the one that they did the dance to that. I wanna wrap you in. That was nasty as well.
What did you do?
I licked my hand. Well, that was a pip.
I really just bodied that burger.
You did. I don't know. First of all, they don't even take. Where's the ketchup? Oh my god! What the?
She said, "Where's the ketchup?" It's right there. It's right there. Right there. It's right there.
You're gonna. Wow. Now I'm gonna eat this. First of all, they don't even take their time into making stuff. That's one bad thing about McDonald's, cause this thing look dirt.
This ain't Krusty Krab, man, under the sea.
You make no. This thing smell like booty. It smell like mad booty.
But guess what?
You fought it.
You're gonna eat that booty.
The bread thing got stuck to my lip.
Yum. I don't know if she came from under the sea or Area 51.
That's me and Doctor.
And don't eat me. Don't eat me. Whoa, look at my drip. Looking at your drip. Whoa, mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing that. Whoa. I mean, you got a toe in your mouth on there?
It was like something was mad hard in my mouth. I didn't even mean to say that. But y'all know what I mean. Cause I know y'all do. What's the camera like that?
I tried to do it for long.
What am I talking about?
I don't know. There's a lot to talk about nowadays.
Are you farting? Come up with some questions.
My head hurt.
You should do a Q&A. Oh, you did a Q&A already. That was your first video.
Man, don't trip. Man, don't trip. Oh, Mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm eating that. Oh. On my knee. It was mad brolic.
You know what I noticed? Your drink is red, and mine is like so. My shirt is like a green, like but a mint green, and I think but like falls in the same category maybe. Oh my god. I don't know what we're gonna talk about.
Why are you picking on your burger?
Cause there's like onions on top of my burger when it's supposed to be inside of my burger. You know what I mean? I don't know why I have glasses on. I had these on, but these are like matte plain. Like,
Doesn't this mean like thank you or something?
And what, sign language?
Oh no.
No.
This means something.
This means thank you in sign language.
Do y'all think this means something? Comment.
It means shake that bitch hair.
I'm gonna go shopping. Look at my drip. Looking at your drip. Not one.
When we finish, we're gonna.
Wanna do it?
Yeah, we're gonna.
We're gonna see who drinks the fastest.
But
Not the whole thing, because we got 2 different sizes, but to be able to bring for these.
to get a brain freeze, how much we could drink without getting a brain freeze?
Ready?
Oh, I just put. Okay, you know what? Hold on.
Disgusting. Disgusting. Yeah, I guess we're gonna try to get a brain freeze. Ready?
Alright, ready?
Oh no, I can't do that. I'm not doing that. It's mad like
First of all, it's mad crunchy. I took one sip and I just swallowed it.
Okay, now whoa.
I'm gonna put these up because I look retarded. Whoa. Ooh. Mm.
Well, comment more videos y'all like to see. Would y'all want her to be in it?
Yeah.
Yikes. Nah. She's gonna be in a lot of videos too.
No. I can't say that on camera.
Well,
It's video idea. I want to say it on camera.
hope you guys enjoyed this video with my fun Zoom.
Of course, you know my name's on a name, but that's what she wanted.
Waka waka come on. It's time for Africa. Oh,
That's her like that fish from Fish Tales. Right?
Oscar? That thing I look like Oscar.
That should be your thumbnail. You smiling with an Oscar next to you and me like that would
That's funny.
It's the replay, brother. That fell on me.
What? You don't know how to eat.
I don't know.
You don't know how to eat. You don't know how to eat. Look at that, my
Whoa, alright.
Alright, this is the end of the video. So, see you guys later.
like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gon' rain. Yeah, better brick do a brick, ain't whip up shit, this pure cocaine.